Hello and welcome to Cryptalization. Today's topic is technical analysis in the world of cryptocurrency. Technical analysis is a vital tool for traders and investors alike, and can help predict the future price movements of a particular cryptocurrency. First, let's start with the basics. Technical analysis is the study of historical price and volume data to identify patterns and trends. These patterns can provide valuable insights into the future direction of the market. Technical analysis is different from fundamental analysis, which involves evaluating the underlying value of a cryptocurrency based on economic and financial factors. There are several categories of technical analysis, each with its own set of tools and techniques. These categories include 1. Price action analysis. This category involves analyzing the movements of price on a chart to identify patterns and trends. This includes looking at support and resistance levels, trend lines, and chart patterns like triangles and flags. 2. Indicators. Technical indicators are mathematical calculations based on price and volume data. These indicators can provide valuable insights into the strength of a trend or the potential for a reversal. Examples of indicators include moving averages, the relative strength index, RSI, and the moving average convergence divergence, MACD. 3. Elliott wave theory. This category involves using wave patterns to identify trends and potential reversal points. The theory is based on the idea that markets move in a series of waves, with each wave having a specific structure and duration. 4. Candlestick analysis. Candlestick charts are a popular tool for technical analysis. Candlestick patterns can provide insights into market sentiment and can help identify potential reversal points. Now that we've covered the basics of technical analysis, let's talk about why it's important. Technical analysis can help traders and investors make more informed decisions about when to buy or sell a particular cryptocurrency. By identifying patterns and trends, technical analysis can help investors capitalize on opportunities and avoid potential losses. In upcoming videos, I will be diving deeper into each category of technical analysis and providing examples of how to use these tools in your trading strategy. So, be sure to subscribe to Cryptalization to stay up to date on the latest trends and insights in the world of cryptocurrency. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.